Today I'm going to show you how to perform a wheelie in razor rods with a wrecker and a challenger. Now you can use any challenger you want and any wrecker as long as it's a rollback like this. And you might notice that I have changed my sounds around a bit, but it's okay. Pump it, pump it. Fire up your truck. Load your vehicle onto the flatbed and then press F2. First, get your engine idle up to about 2,500 RPM, like so. Then let it go back. Make sure your vehicle is fully secured onto the back. Sky wheelie right now. Take your parking brake off, shift to the drive, and boom! Wheelie time! That, my friend, is how you perform a wheelie with just a regular old wrecker retriever truck and a Dodge Challenger. You can use any muscle car, I just decided to use the Challenger. I could have used a Mustang, I could have used a Charger, I could have used a Camaro. Nope, I decided to use the Challenger. And that's how to do it, ladies and germs.